Hello everyone and welcome to Machine Shop. My name is Matthew Burnside and I'm going to be showing you the cool things that was made in here and everything else. Now the piece that I showed you on the computer was a Titan 1M piece. And I sketched that out and I'm actually going to be programming it on the CNC to cut it out. And later on this year I'm going to be making cannons and like keychains and everything with CNC. It's gonna be really cool. And the piece that I drew out for the program is right here. I drew it on the program and got cut in the CNC.